5 different ways to open app in Windows. So the first one would be the classic one. How you open most apps is like here, Paint, and then you click. So the second one would be you click on the uh, Windows key, and then you can click on the Windows R. So both at the same time, and then you can just do whatever you want with the .exe in the end, and then. For example, the paint.exe is not found, but the chrome.exe will be found. So this is another way. You can also try that. So what else? What else have you got? So sometimes you don't want to maybe click on the CMD on the run button. So you want to open the exe from somewhere else from the file system. So where you can find it is you go to the task manager, and then you can go to just your processes. And if you want to use this, for example, the Google Chrome, then you can just click on that and then go to the details and then right click again and open the file location. And now you see the file location and here's the exe and then you can click it again. So this is the third way, and you can also use Task Manager for more. So if you go to the Task Manager back, and then you see here on the top, you see the run new task is a very nice thing as well. So you can do it here as well, notepad.exe, and there it is, some bikes. And as well as I was promising in this video, I will give you the chance as well to open the app from the CMD. So you can open the CMD here, and then you have the console of the operating system, and you can maybe try to for example, do some chrome.exe here, start chrome.exe, for example, and you can, for example, as well do python.exe, but this is something uh, for another chance, right? So, for example, this one, oh, actually it does work. So print hello world. So this wraps up the video. Thank you for watching, and I'm very thankful for all the positive feedback on the video and for your attention. So keep watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.